back on everything I've learned, and this fall feels no different. Sitting alone with no human contact, I watch the campfire and realize life is all about constant improving. Constantly learning to not only make things better for you, but for others. Becoming a better person. Watching myself progress in camping, getting better at making fires, to just being all alone on the road. Understanding that if something goes wrong, I may never see my family again. It's a rush that comes over you. When I drove here, I didn't even know if it would work out, but I didn't care. Nervously pulling into the lake I found 2 years ago, I was lucky to find this campsite with pre-cut wood for a fire. Stayed up as late as I could, but knew I wanted to fly my drone during sunrise and catch a famously known river nearby. When I woke up, I was met with morning fog just like anticipated. I tried relighting the fire to stay warm and waiting for the right moment to fly. While waiting, 2 weasels were playing and I caught one running through my camp. Watching them play and me being a commercial traveling drone pilot just reminded me it was my time to play. After the river, I drove down to a section within the Adirondacks that allows drone use. In order to get to where I got, I had to hike over 15 miles. And this wasn't a designated trail. Sometimes you make your own trail, and on that trail you notice that every leaf is different. Every step for 15 miles was unique, jumping over rocks, roots, and slippery moss. As I hiked, I realized many things, and I was rewarded with this view. As you can tell, I didn't start the hike until 11:30 a.m. I finished in complete black darkness, but I did have a flashlight. I was not anticipating to climb over 3,200 feet. By the time I got back, I was so exhausted, I literally just fell asleep for the next day where I would spend it in Vermont.